The usually sleepy town of Vivinya in the northern Sri Lanka recently saw a burst of activity. The small Tamil community was in the news for a slightly unusual reason. It was hosting Sinhalese school children and teachers from Matara district in the south for a sporting event. Sri Lanka is still recovering from the fallout of a 3-decade civil war that came to an end in May 2009. UNDP's Communities for Peace project, better known as C4P, had invited school children with disabilities from the south of Sri Lanka to meet with children in the north. Because of restricted movement during the 25-year-old conflict, the gathering was a unique opportunity. With the end of the conflict, UNDP began the difficult process of building bridges between communities in the north and the south. It quickly decided there was no better way to do that than through sports. This particular UNDP peace-building program began in 2008 and is funded by AusAid, the Australian government aid program. Playing sports together, they believe, is the first step towards strengthening community ties. The 2-day event in Vivinya had various sports activities like cricket, relay races, and running races. The children from the two communities were able to get to know each other and make friends.
This is the first time we have come out of the Southern District. Back in Matara, I associated only with Sinhalese people, but here I'm meeting people belonging to a different community, speaking a different language.
And it wasn't just the children who were having fun. The teachers from the two districts were also breaking down barriers through a game of cricket. The event also hopes to show that children with disabilities can have a normal life and participate in sports events like these.
Actually, this is the milestone of Sri Lankan history. The war has been come to an end and people are working together now. Actually, now we are in the process of reducing the gap between the communities by organizing sports events, cultural programs and livelihood trainings and get-together programs. So many programs we are organizing.
The UNDP program is also involved in other activities in the district, including the construction of recreation centers to bring together youth from different communities and developing leadership skills for youth. The organizers of the Vivinya event hope that the participants will be able to set aside differences and join together to end their hostility and mistrust between the two communities.